guys, welcome for today's video. I'm alone in our home, so let's go in the outside. Wait. Okay guys, we're here. Just make a few things. Thing like I'm okay. So nandito tayo guys. Marunong na pala ako Tagalog. Wait lang, meron daw. Bye muna, bye. It's a prank. Wala tayong magawa. So, wala tayong magawa dito guys. Paano muna tayo dito. So, ngayon muna wala lang. Salamat kung magpa-follow kayo. Follow nyo lang ako guys at subscribe. Bye. So guys, yun na ang sinabi ko. Follow, like this video, and subscribe. Bye-bye!